Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Cliq Smart Bike Lite. Let's see some of the key features. Engineered optics, theft alert, smart brake, group sync, Bluetooth connectivity, download the app and adjust the brightness, change the mode from your smartphone. All that we're gonna find out together and more. Daylight visible, IP67 rated waterproof and more. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. Whoa, from the first look, I just love it. I like this transparent glass, it's so clear. Let's remove that. Now it is more clear. A custom engineered triple lens system to make you as visible as possible on the road, whether it be night or day. You can see everything from this side, at the front, and from this side. Nice, I like it. And of course you cannot miss, because this is a transparent, you can actually see the custom silicone inside. I like it. Nice, it looks great. Well, can't wait to turn it on and see everything and connect it to my smartphone. Let's see what else we've got out of the box. The manual, of course, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. And accessories. I like accessories. Ooh. Type A to micro USB. You can charge this unit. There's a port. Seal it very well. No water will go inside and damage your precious light. And charge it. You need a 5-volt power adapter or your power bank. Charge it from your laptop, desktop. You need only 5 volt. And we can see an LED is on, orange, and is charging. Seal it very well. Cliq is built with a miniature total internal reflection lenses, which is ensuring that your bike light is daylight and day-night visible. The Cliq will link up with your phone to utilize the anti-theft feature, group sync and fully customize the light patterns. In addition, the CPU will manage the auto brake with its inbuilt advanced accelerometer and maintain the battery life and work longer with this smart bike light. With the anti-theft technology, Cliq detects harsh and unfamiliar movements on your bike. When this happens and you are away from your bike, you will be alerted from the alarm via the mobile app. Leave your bike anywhere as long as Cliq is attached and sync it with your phone. You will know if something strange is happening. And with a Cliq Smart AI lets you synchronize your flashing pattern with nearby Cliq lights. You also have the option to customize how and when your LED glows. And everything is controlled through your phone. Outer Grid app is available on both iOS and Android. Will allow you to link with your clip and customize your patterns, sync with other riders and alert you if someone is trying to steal your bike. And the IP67, it gives you a highest rating of any smart bike light, rain resistant, dirt dust resistant, will never be problem again, and you will be confident enough to take it anywhere. And safety matters the more, reacts faster than you can say brake. Hardware is found in a higher drone resided with a clip. Coupled with the advanced algorithms, the clip provides the most accurate and instantaneous brake-like activation of any smart bike light. It fits in any seat post. 3 connector parts let you mount in on any seat post, no matter your bike's make, model or age. And that's how you can adjust the angle of the light. And of course, it's not only for your precious bike. You can use it and for running, walking, skateboarding, or even walking your dog. And the huge 1000 mAh battery, it will guarantee up to 20 hours battery life. Well, nice all that, let's download the app and make the connection. Now, installing to my bike, I need this holder. This strip goes here, stretch it, and it locks. Holder, you can lock it at 3 places, middle, down and up. It depends the adjustment you want to do at your bike. Of course, you can install it at this side, button up or down. Here it is the port for charging a unit. It is your choice what is more convenient, and then just press and it locks. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. It can hold very well this smart bike light. Then if you want to install it at your backpack, let's say, again you need this holder of course. And next we have this clip. We've got these two gaps here, one side here, and just press and it will lock. Very easy. And you can clip it wherever you want, at your backpack, at your belt. It is your choice. And easy of course to remove. And that was all. Very easy. Or you can install the other holder. You can install it at the strap, maybe at the front of your backpack. It is your choice. And again, very easy. One side. And it locks. And then to remove, just apply force at this plastic and you can remove it. Now I will use this holder because I need to install it to my bike. And we need this rubber. It will prevent to move around at the seat post. Install it very easy inside here. You can see, perfect. And then lock again the holder. And just install here, stretch it, locks, and then adjust it. Then that was all. A very easy installation. Button, it can go down or up. Download the How to Grid app from Android or iOS. Add new device. And there is the Cliq AD83 battery 100%. Tapping, you can see a blue light at the smart light bike. That means it's connected with my smartphone. Light off, turn it on. Wow, amazing. You can choose the mode. First mode, second mode, third mode, fourth mode. Nice. First mode, you can edit. Mode first, you can rename. Brake light, turn on. And here you can adjust the sensitivity, high, medium, low, direction, long, normal, short. Sensitivity, let's put it on high, normal, long, let's put it on normal, brightness, high, medium, or low. Pattern, static, burst, blink, it is your choice. And of course you can use in the group sync. When two or more lights with a group sync enabled are within Bluetooth range, the lights will flash simultaneously. This feature only synchronizes the flashing timing. It is up to the user to configure the individual lights to the same blinking pattern. Okay, thank you for the info. And here we can see we can adjust the brightness. Top light, you can see adjusting. Low, and the bottom, medium, everything is in low. Let's put it on maximum, and you can see instantly all the lights are in maximum now. And let's put it on 50%. Top light, you can choose from constant, glow, bling, surge, burst, or off. You can turn it off. I like that I can adjust all the settings from my smartphone. Same for the middle LED. You can turn it off, turn it on, it is your choice. The bottom LED, choose what is the best for you. Nice. Let's go back, and the same you can do and for the other modes. You can create your own mode. You can choose the best settings that is more suitable for you. Changing the mode. First mode. Lighting function, eco mode. Let's see, eco mode saves power by lowering brightness and changing the flashing pattern when the battery drops low. Light will run for at least 30 more minutes before the battery runs out. Ambient light, Cliq does not support ambient light, okay. Auto sleep, light will turn off when it does not detect movement for approximately 30 seconds. The light will turn back on when detects motion again. Okay, you can see it's turned it off. If I'm going to move the bike, it turns on. Nice, I like that. Let's turn it off now. Fifth alert. When enabled, a notification and corresponding alarm will be triggered on your phone when movement is detected on your bike. The light should be connected to the app to use this feature. Well, let's try it. Someone's trying to stole my bike. And there's the alarm. Turn it off. Nice feature, I like that. And at all the time you can turn it off, turn on. The blue light indicates that the smartphone is connected with a smart bike light. We've got the settings, manage the device name, firmware update, current version, available update, it is up to date, help, and more. Nice, I like it. Turn off, blue light is on, goes back. If I'm going to disconnect from my smartphone, you can see the blue light is off, and again is on when it's trying to connect to my smartphone. Instantly, we've got a very fast connection, smartphone and smart bike light. I like that. Lights on. Friendly to the user, fast adjustments, all the modes, the settings for each mode. Well, let's try the brake light. Direction, I will put it on long, brightness and pattern static. Well, brake light, it is when you are braking instantly, fast, then it will work. And you can see it is solid on. And again, solid on. Fast braking and the light is solid on. Nice. It's working. Perfect. Well, nice of that. I think it's time to move on outside and see how much brightness it can give us and check how much far away from the bike you can see this smart bike light. And there it is at the night. I am about 25 meters away from my bike, changing mode. And definitely you can see the bike very well, far away. It looks so bright. And let's go closer. Nice, I like it. Definitely it has a high brightness. And you can see very clear and from the side of the bike. Nice, I like it. Definitely everyone, it will see you at the night with no problem. You will be visible at the dark and you will feel more safe when you are biking. And again, changing modes. You can wear it to your dog, to your backpack, to your belt, it is your choice. And I have tried the brake light, every time it's working, instantly I'm braking and the light goes to solid red. If you've got any problem, adjust the sensitivity of the braking light. Great high brightness. And you can see at the road how it looks. It illuminates all the road at the back. Well guys, that was all about. I think it's a great choice. If you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link. Click it and find more information about this product and where you can buy it. I think it's a great choice. Connect it to your smartphone and adjust the brightness, choose the modes, the brake assist, everything. And off, we can see it has a small blue LED and you can see it far, far away. It's illuminated the road very well, without a doubt. And we can see closer, the LEDs are so strong. And a small tip how you can reset this device. It's very easy, just press double press and then hold. 1, 2, hold and leave. You can see the blue LEDs flashing. And that was all. Reset successful. Well guys, that was all about. For more information and where to buy this product, you can check down below the description, find a link, click it, and definitely you will find on smartbikelight.com more products for your bike, accessories, something you like, and just buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. It matters to me very much. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.